Assalamualaikum students, it's Dhaka Secondary School, Maths class, Maths book 3A, page number 68, exercise number 1. Without using a protractor, draw angle with you estimate to be. In example number 1 is to draw the estimate angle of 60 degree. We know that what is the angle? Angle is the shape of two lines where two lines meet at common end point. It's an angle. To draw the estimate angle, first we will draw the baseline like this. Now point out the ends of line. 60 is less than 90 and we know that it is the angle of 90, straight line. 60 is less than 90 means it is an acute angle. If it is 90, then it may be 80, it's 70 and it's 60, estimate of 60. Now join this point with the baseline. Example number 2, we have an angle of 130 degree. 130 is greater than 90 means it is an obtuse angle. Same method will follow. First we will draw the baseline, point out the ends. It is 90 degree. We know that, and 130 is greater than 90, so we'll start counting after 90. If it is 90, it may be 100, 110, 120, 130. It is estimate size of 130 degree. Now in question number 2, we have to measure each angle from question number 1 with the help of protractor and write how much we underestimate or overestimate each angle. What is underestimate? If actual size is greater than the estimated size, we call it underestimate. And if the actual size is less than the estimated size, we call overestimate. For this, we will measure the angle with the help of protractor. It is a protractor. We will place the protractor. It is the center of protractor and it is the line of protractor. Now we will place the protractor on this angle so as center must be on the center and this line must be on this line, like this. Now we will write 0 here and start counting from 0. 0 are the inner number. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Means the actual size of this angle is 50. Means it is underestimate. How much? Underestimate of 10 degree because it is less than 60. Now we will measure this example number 2, 130 degree angle like this. So that center should be on center, must be on center, and line must be on this line. Now we can say, now we will start, we will write here 0 and start our counting from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130 and it is the line in the center of 130 and 140 means it is 135 degree. Means it is over estimate of 5 degree. Now complete your exercise in copy. Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum students, it's Dhaka Secondary School, Maths class, Maths book 3A, page number 68, exercise number 3. In exercise number 3, we have to draw the angle using a protractor. Example number 1 is angle of 60, means firstly we will draw the angle of 60 degree with the help of protractor. It's a protractor. It is the center of protector and it is the line of protector. First thing, we will draw a single baseline of angle like this. Point out the ends and give them name. It's A and it's B. Now line up the protector so that the center is at one end. It is the one end of line and it is the center of protector. Means center must be on the end of line and this line must be on this line like this. And now write 0 here and start counting from 0 and mark of angle 60 degree. It's 0 upper number 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. It is a 60. Mark 60. Now join this point with the baseline like this. If it's A, it's B, then it's C. A, B, C, and it is an angle of 60 degree. Now second angle is of 140 degree. Same method we follow. Firstly we will draw our baseline like this. Point out the ends. We can write here P, Q. It's over to you. You can use any letter of. Now we'll place the protector. Place the center on this point and line must be on this line. Adjust it. Write here 0 and start counting from 0. It's the outer number 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. This line is 140. Point, mark up the point and join this point with the baseline to complete the angle. Now, if it's P, it's Q and it is R and it is angle of 140.